Hello folks, this is Ted White, and today I'm going to show you how to reveal text in CapCut PC. Let's check it out. Alright folks, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to import the file that we want to reveal the text on. So I choose this file and I click open. From there I add the track to the timeline, and then the next step is to go up to text and then add default text to the track. You're going to make the default text the same size as the video clip, and then you will go up to the right and you'll delete default text and put whatever you want. I'm just going to put reveal text as an example, and then I'm going to bring it down a little bit. I'm going to change the font, first things first, to a more bold font, and then I'm going to change the color, but I think I'm just going to go to preset style and change it to something like this. I'm going to make it bigger, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to play around with the playhead and the position of my body and make sure that it's in the right spot throughout. So I'm just going to play this. Okay, that's not bad. And so I'm satisfied with that. What I will do next is, I don't like the fact that this text is in front of my body. It's easier to edit if you have the person in front of the text. So that's exactly what I'm about to do. So I'll show you how to do that. What I will do is I will copy the clip here, and then I will paste. So I'll just click above the text box and click paste. So I just right click that, and then I will drag the video to above the text, and then with the top video clip here highlighted, I will go to remove BG. I will click auto removal, and it says auto cutout is completed. So now what this should show is me walking by with the text behind me, but the text in front of the background. So the text is obviously in front of the background, so let's see if the text is behind me. Okay, mission accomplished. So that looks good. So what we will do now is go back to the text box and highlight it, and then what I will do is right click it, and then I will click on create compound clip. Okay, and then from there, with this highlighted still, the text box and compound clip, you will go over to video, and then you will go down here to mask, and then you will click on horizontal, and then what we will do is we're going to drag the playhead a little bit. Well, actually first we will flip the horizontal mask to make sure that it's 270 degrees, and then we will drag it to our left a bit. And then I'm going to take myself here with the playhead, so I went back down to the playhead in this area and then moved it to the right about here. And then what I will do is take the mask, and I want to completely start with no text at all. So I will start it right about here where I know the text hasn't, it's completely erased or wiped out. And what I will do is underneath mask and horizontal, I'll scroll down to position, and then I will add a keyframe. And then what you will do is go over to your playhead here, you'll move it forward a little bit, and then you will move the mask forward, okay, into the body here. And then you move the playhead forward, and then you move the mask forward, and playhead, mask. So you repeat this process, until you reveal all of the text. So it's just simply Playhead mask. So once you did the first keyframe, it automatically adds the next position keyframes as you move the mask. Okay? So I gotta move the Playhead again here. So it's just Playhead mask, Playhead mask. Oh, back to where it was. Okay, Playhead mask. Excuse me. Playhead mask. Okay. And we're almost done. Thank you for your patience. Okay, so this is an in-depth tutorial, but it shows you step by step on how to do this. So let's go. I'm just going to move the playhead there and hit that. Okay, there we go. So what I'm going to do is put this on full screen and let's play and see how this looks. And it looks perfect. That's absolutely fantastic. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you have an excellent day. Thank you. Bye-bye.